Welcome to my What's Up Wednesday. I had been doing Workshop Wednesday, but I need to take a little break for now. So no worries. We'll get back on track. And some exciting stuff going on in Stampin' Up! Right now. We are doing the Sale-a-bration through the 30th of September. And I can finally show you the catalogs. So I'm excited about that. So let's just take a look. Now, what is Sale-a-bration? Most of you know, but it doesn't hurt to have a little review. During Sale-a-bration, 3rd of August, which was yesterday, through 30th of September, for every $50 you spend at stampinup.com before shipping and tax, you can choose something from the Sale-a-bration catalog. And they've got some good stuff in there, but I do warn you that it is first come, first serve, that they will be, it's until they run out. So if there's something that you specifically really want to have, I would suggest you get that first, and then get the other things later. I know the penguin paper is going to be very popular. It goes with the penguin. Let me grab it. My craft room is a mess right now. It goes with this darling penguin punch. So the Penguin Place punch goes with this Penguin Playmates paper. So if you get the punch, you definitely want to choose the paper as your prize, your free Sale-a-bration. And I would suggest that you get this too if you're just dying for it, because they may go out of stock and you'll have to wait for them to get back in stock. Okay, so that's that paper. Now I think I passed over the shiny bedazzling specialty paper. That's also an option. Feels Like Home is a nice little stamp set for coloring or watercoloring or using your blends. And then we have some beautifully penned designer series paper. These are all things you can get with a $50 purchase. Here, this Peaceful Prints paper is very pretty. I got to see it when I did the paper shares. It matches with the Peaceful Deer bundle. So if you get the Peaceful Deer bundle, you probably want to choose this Peaceful Prints as your free item. Now let's see. This is very popular, and these dies, if you want them, get them now. I cannot stress that enough. This is supposedly while supplies last, so that's what I've heard. If I've heard right, don't hold me to it, but I'm pretty sure it sounds right. The Counting Sheep would be one $50 price. I keep calling them price. $50 gift, and then this is a $50 gift. So you'd have to spend $100 before shipping and tax if you wanted both. And they are adorable, so awesome little prizes for you. Textures and frames for the real hardcore stamper that knows how to use all those, and I'm not one of them, but but if you are, you probably would like that. Summer Shadows dies. It goes with the Shaded Summer stamp set in the annual catalog, and you would want those dies too. Now this is with $100 purchase to get these, and it'll tell you up here what you want, how much you have to spend to get that free. Okay, and then Delicate Dahlias is another one you have to spend 100 for, but it's 12 photopolymer stamps, and it's a two-step stamp, which means you would stamp you can stamp the image and color it if you want, or you can stamp it and then stamp it over that image with this, and then you get like a really beautiful image. All right, moving right along with our Sale-a-bration. If you host a party, which you could do online with me if you want to, they offer this. If your sales are $300 or more, you could get a free In Your Words stamp set. I'm not sure. If you're interested, we could do a Facebook party. I'm not opposed to that. So, and then with your starter kit, if you wanted to join Stampin' Up to just get the discount, you don't have to sell. You could join for $99, and with that $99 that you spend to join, you can choose up to $125 in product. Not over, it can't go over, but you would choose for your starter kit for $99. You could choose up to $125 in product. That's our normal everyday offer, and then there's no shipping on that either, so you just pay $99 plus tax, get $125, which is a good deal just for that, and then you get your discount on everything you buy. But if you decide to do that, let me know. I'll send you my link so that you can be on my team, and I can get credit for you being for joining, because I know you want to give me credit and I know you want to be on my team. Okay, so if during Sale-a-bration though, to that they add that you get to choose an additional free bundle, and here's the list on page 19 of the Sale-a-bration. Here's all the bundles you can choose from. So you would get $125 in products of your choice from this catalog or the annual catalog, and then you get to choose one of these bundles, and there's 12 of them, and they all come from this catalog here. So it's a good deal, even if you just want to join to get the discount. And there's no pressure to sell. I would say the majority, I don't know for sure, but I would say that the majority of the demonstrators basically are just doing this for themselves and maybe their family members. Their family members are their customers. Or they just do it to get the discount, and we call them hobby demonstrators, even though there's really no such term as a hobby demonstrator, but everybody knows it's just somebody that's a demonstrator to get the discount, and that's perfectly fine. Okay, so that's our Sale-a-bration going on till 30th of September. So big news there. I'm going to go back and see if I'm missing any comments. Quinn, I missed your comment. Good morning. Okay, so let's move on to our next exciting thing, which is, and you probably already know, is the frosted gingerbread class. It is in full swing right now. I've had several people earn it already. Exciting. You get everything you need to make these 4 projects pre-cut and pre-scored, except for the things that you cut with your dies, which would be these and this and this. Any of the labels, those come already pre-cut for you. So this is awesome. You just need to make a $40 retail purchase with my host code, which is on my website or here on the Facebook group. And so let's say if you made a $50 purchase before retail, you could get 1 free item, and then you would also earn a free class kit. So Celebration is an awesome time of the year because you get double rewards when you shop with me. And next month, well, let me show you. You've seen the frosted gingerbread stamps and dies, awesome dies. But also, just a preview of next, this is good till August 15th. The last half of August, we'll be doing Sparkle of the Season as our class project or reward with purchase. And this is a multi-season. That's why I chose it. It's kind of early. I mean, it'll be the end of August, and we're really still kind of thinking about summer, and then we're going to start thinking about fall. So this has Grateful, Halloween, and Merry Christmas. And this is an awesome Merry Christmas. If you just want the Merry Christmas. It has a stamp that does this, but inside the dies are awesome. So this is going to be August 16th through 31st. You have those dies, but guess what? You have this die too. Little bats, leaves, pine cones, somewhere, pine cone, and it matches the dies of the stamps here. There's a little pine cone, leaves, holly, sprigs, and pine needles, little pumpkin, witch's broom. So this will be a little fun set to play with. Just looking ahead, kind of keep your, and then I did email everyone the list of all of the upcoming classes for the rest of the year. So hopefully you got that email. Check your junk mail if you didn't get it. All right, so that's it for today for my What's Up Wednesday. I will see you Friday for FYI Friday and catch you up on everything that's going on. All right, well, be sure to make your purchases before they run out of the good stuff. All right, love you guys. Bye.